We can just pull it out right here and voila, there it is. Hey Wear Noticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Wear Notice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartwatches, phones, tech accessories, computers, and really just so much more. But guys, in this video, yes, we're going to be unboxing Apple's very own leather AirTag keyring for their AirTags, which are essentially, if you guys aren't familiar with them, they're smart trackers that use Apple's Find My network to help you find whatever you put them on. So for example, a keychain like this, or maybe in your wallet, in a backpack, and something like that. So interestingly enough, this keychain right here actually costs more than an AirTag, because when you buy a 4-pack of them, it's 4 for $100. So that's essentially $25 each, whereas the keychain right here will set you back $35. And I believe if you buy an individual AirTag, that'll set you back $30. So it's still even more than that if you don't get like a bigger pack of them. Let's just open this up and see what it is all about. We can just pull it out right here and voila, there it is. And wow, it already comes assembled. I do really like this shade of red though. I think it looks very pretty. Anything else left in the box? It looks like we got some paperwork, yup. And yeah, let's just get rid of all that. So we can just open it up like that and slide an AirTag in just like that. That's good. And then we could squeeze it shut and boom, that was really easy. And honestly, I mean, if I bring this Belkin key ring right back here back, you'll notice that this one is much more flippity floppity type of keychain, whereas this one, it's much more, you know, sturdy in the sense that it doesn't flop around so much because it's got like a longer hole right here, so it doesn't, you know, flip in all directions like the Belkin one. It doesn't jingle jangle. It just, you know, flaps back and forth like that. Also, another thing too you'll notice is that the ring itself is actually thick and flat on Apple's leather keychain, whereas on Belkin's it's much thinner. So that's definitely interesting. At the end of the day, it's just a keychain for your AirTag. If you want to learn more about AirTags, I'll have a link down in the description to my full video about them. And once again, if you guys are new here, definitely be sure to subscribe to the Wear Notice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos like this. And I mean, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing.